The verbal stuff eventually stopped, and then he said it started getting physical. They started throwing a ball at his head, and that really upset him. And
Because
this
they
was
were
kind of a tough school, actually. Kids came from all over, some from very tough neighborhoods. And his father was a very good soccer player. So I suggested, why don't you go out in the backyard and teach him how to lean into that ball and use that ball and play with it and not be afraid of it. That just was amazing. I mean,
yeah.
it also
Mhm.
gave the father something to do too, to be involved with. So the tutoring and the bullies to buddies, his grades came up. He graduated from middle school. He went on to high school, and they were prepared there to give him services also for his autism. My mother called me after he graduated and said, he's graduating from high school. He's even going to the prom, and he's been accepted to Cal Poly Pomona University. He's going to go into engineering. And she said, I just thought you'd want to know because I feel you were part of his success.